So today I'll be doing a review on the Frenchie Speed Wallet carbon version. In the front you see that there's a Frenchie logo, and on the back the Frenchie branding. Opening up the package, we're greeted with the wallet wrapped in tissue paper. And here's the wallet. There's a Frenchie logo on the bottom left with nothing on the back. In the first card slot, it can hold 6 cards and is RFID protected. In the second slot, it can also hold 6 cards, but is not RFID protected. Opening up the wallet, there's a Frenchie branding on the right and nothing in the middle. This version of the carbon wallet can hold up to 12 cards and 30 bills, but for daily use, I like to carry 4 cards in the first slot, 4 cards in the rear slot, and 3 bills in the middle, making a total of 8 cards and 3 bills. And it's not packed at all, as you can see. There's a lot of room to add additional cards. For size comparison, here's a deck of cards. Here's a closer look at all the little details. Frenchie logo on the bottom left, and the carbon weave is extremely premium. When you open up, there's a carbon printing on the bottom. Thank you for watching, and I'll have a discount code for 10% off your order in the description.